Hey friends, if you encounter this weird issue where volume keeps automatically resetting on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Okay, so the first solution is a clean boot. And how would you do that? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart your computer. So why are we performing a clean boot? Because it is quite possible that a third party software is managing the system and thus causing the increase and decrease in volume settings. This is the main reason. The next one is a malware scan, because the malware could be doing the similar thing, could be doing the same thing. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Now click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it run the full scan. After this you can run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and click on the corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The last one is to update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And then you can expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each and every driver and update it. The microphone driver, update it. This one, update it. And this one, update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.